Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add new picture in Photopea software. So get let's started. Now you can see add new picture in Photopea software. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and plus option. Now you can see now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open. Now you can see then show the open picture in the resize. Now click on tick mark and the add new picture. Now going to the file menu, again file menu option, then click. Now click from new option. Now select from any now click from create option. Now you can see then going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from open and plus option. Now select from picture any picture. Now click from open. Now click for open option. That it's. Now you can see add new picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.